Across fabs worldwide, idle and retired legacy equipment continues to accumulate. This is where Harvest comes into play. Harvest identifies parts and data assets from idle legacy equipment. Harvest is SurplusGLOBAL's asset recovery program for legacy semiconductor equipment. It focuses on identifying parts and data from idle tools to support alternative sourcing. Each year, dozens of tools enter the harvest process, generating hundreds of thousands of recoverable parts. Harvest activities are supported by the semi-market team, where harvested parts are managed and made available to the market. Each tool is carefully selected and dismantled based on over 25 years of global sourcing experience and industry expertise. Every harvest is handled by experienced engineers with decades of hands-on semiconductor experience. Harvested parts are scanned and cataloged through AI-assisted OCR and image analysis, supporting the creation of structured part data. The system matches parts by maker, model, category, price, and fair market value, then recommends exactly what each customer needs. After evaluation, harvested parts are classified and listed on Semi-Market, supporting structured search and matching. We evaluate every part using market demand, pricing history, and real-time supply data. Harvest reconnects recovered parts with the semiconductor supply chain, helping extend the life cycle of legacy equipment. Recovered parts are on their way back to the fab, supporting faster recovery where the line was once down. Harvest completes the full life cycle, from tools to parts data, from valuation to sales and cash. Semi-Market, from tools to value to cash.